Hi, I'm Tony Asaro with a thought leadership video focused on data life cycles, fact or fiction. I don't think anyone would argue that data isn't important. Of course it is. But it is extremely hard to qualify the value of data. Does the content inside have relatively minimal importance, or does it contain extremely valuable intellectual property? And there's so much data that there's no time for nuance when it comes to managing and protecting it. And so fundamentally, we treat all of our data the same. Here's your hammer, now start smashing all those nails. We have a different set of technologies, products, and people to hand off the care of our data. External storage, replication, databases, content management, backup and archive, each with its own assigned experts and managers. A role that is trending within large enterprises is the Chief Data Officer. I like this idea. It has a lot of potential. But the only way to make this work is for the Chief Data Officer to have full stewardship of all the company's data over its entire life cycle. A truly holistic approach that's empowered to break down silos and remove barriers. But this person and their team need to have a wide range of technical and business acumen, as well as the authority to make big changes. Otherwise, the effort will fall short and just be another tribute to mediocrity. There may be no panacea today, no single product or technology that can enable a cohesive lifecycle for all of your data. But even if there was, companies, businesses aren't necessarily set up to utilize it. Whether it's bureaucracy, legacy, territorial divides, entrenched processes, or lack of vision. If I were to hand you the solution to manage all of your business data, most companies wouldn't even know how to handle it. Oh, I only deal with this type of data. You need to talk to so-and-so for that other, different kind of data. And I can't seem to remember who handles this other very different data. Today, the way we treat and manage data is like a massive Rube Goldberg machine, the embodiment of inefficiency. In many cases, it's hurting us more than it's helping. Are the challenges too great to overcome? Yes and no. First, we have to walk before we run, and some of us are still in the crawling stage. Right now, focus on those things you can control, but start thinking holistically. If you're the person in charge of storage, a business unit, a content manager, VP of IT, CIO, or a Chief Data Officer, research how you can implement a data lifecycle strategy with what you already have. Next, prioritize new products that have a strong data lifecycle story. Then, let's drive the industry towards building data lifecycle solutions. But that isn't enough. Technology alone cannot elevate our use and management of data. Companies have to make a cultural shift and change rigid behavior. Make data lifecycles a part of your mindset. Let's stop giving lip service to the idea that data is the lifeblood of our companies, but then keep doing business as usual. I believe the next great innovations have to be around data lifecycles, from inception to protection to utilization and preservation, a holistic approach to data and a deep appreciation and consideration for its life cycles.